Well, today, folks, I have a very special item on the agenda. We have the HK 433, the most newest gun HK has put out. So, I'm going to be using 5.56 M9995, and I'm going to go semi only with a few rounds. Really cool sights, not too bad. Pretty good so far. It has a cheek riser built in and an adjustable stock. It'll set it out to about 3. And the stock was Alright, I'm gonna go and set it back to water, lock the bolt back, around M905. Not bad at all. Let's get some accessories on it. See, it has some M-lock on the side. Might be able to put some items. Let's see. Yes, but I'll just put something on top. Alright. Did not mean to grab an exit. Actually, let's see. Continualizer. There we go. That one. face. Your headset's all good. Trash, but reticle. Let's see if all is done as a little battle. Yeah, that's it. Tons of battle. Now, let's see here. That's all. Go ahead and plug it out to that mini meters. Pretty sweet indeed. And well, it is, folks, but HK4333. Well, probably one of the most coolest, most recent items to come out of HK. And once again, folks, thank you for watching, and have a great day.